War has always evolved with technology. First, it was muscle, then metal, then gunpowder. Each shift didn't just introduce new weapons, it redefined the battlefield itself. Gunpowder extended range, industrialization scaled destruction, nuclear weapons introduced deterrence, and with each leap, one constant remained. Humans made the decisions, even as machines became more powerful. The pace of war still moved at human speed, limited by perception, communication, and judgment. That is no longer the case. Modern warfare operates on data. Sensors scan terrain in real time, satellites track movement across continents, and systems process information faster than any human chain of command could respond. What was once a sequence, find, fix, track, target, engage, is now compressed into a continuous loop, and within that loop, artificial intelligence plays a critical role. It identifies patterns, flags anomalies, and prioritizes threats, not after decisions are made, but before. This is the shift. Machines are no longer just executing commands, they are shaping which commands get executed. In practical terms, this means targeting systems can recommend strikes based on probability models. Autonomous drones can navigate and adapt mid-operation. Defense systems can respond to incoming threats in milliseconds. The speed is the advantage. But speed has consequences. The faster decisions are made, the less time there is to question them. And when a system presents the optimal choice based on data, history, and predictive modeling, hesitation becomes inefficient. This creates a subtle dependency. Humans remain in the loop, but increasingly, they are responding to machine-generated conclusions. Not all of this is visible on the battlefield. Much of it begins long before. Surveillance systems collect vast streams of data, movement patterns, communication signals, and behavioral signatures. AI processes this information to build profiles, track changes, and anticipate actions. By the time a conflict escalates, much of the decision-making has already been structured. War, in this sense, is no longer just fought in real time. It is prepared in advance by systems that learn, adapt, and optimize continuously. Historically, new technologies changed how wars were fought. AI is changing something more fundamental, the role of human judgment within them. Artificial intelligence does not declare war. It does not understand consequence, but it increasingly determines how decisions unfold once war begins. And in systems built for speed, the line between assistance and control is becoming harder to see.